Today I'm going to show you how to get Epic Games Launcher on your Windows computer. I'm going to give you the best reason why you want this game platform right now. Scroll down below in the store and you will receive free games right now. You only have to log in with an Xbox account or any other, and then you can get these games for free. There are going to be released more, so make sure you check this app out every single week, because you will get a free game, and it can even include double or triple A titles. And even better, Battlefield 6 just came out and you can already play the open beta. You also have Unreal Engine 5.6 right now released on the Epic Games Launcher. To get all of these amazing benefits, make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue making epic videos like this. Let's go and open Google Chrome. Right here we can easily install Epic Games Launcher by typing it in the input field. Right here I'm just going to press enter, and then you have the Epic Games website. Let's click on download the Epic Games Launcher. Right above you have the download button. Make sure you click on it so it will actually go to your downloads folder. Right above this will pop up and you can install Epic Games Launcher while clicking on it once. Now it's going to open the setup. The only thing you have to do right here is to click once on install. There might be a pop-up with the administrator, and make sure you click on yes. What is your personal favorite games launcher? Mine is Steam, and I use it for all my apps and games. And I'm saying apps because you also, for example, have the wallpaper engine. It's a great application and only costs a few bucks, and you have amazing wallpapers. There should be an icon popping up on your desktop. That means that it has installed. But it's not finished yet, just let it finish. Right here, maybe you will get a pop-up like this. Just click on update once. Let it do its thing. After all that struggle, you will see the icon and it will start up just like this. Oh, that's a lie, because I'm logged in. Instead, you might be prompted like this. Sign in to Epic Games. Right here, if you go down, you can click on new here if you haven't made an account yet. But you have other ways to sign in. Google, Steam, My Disney account. Okay, I haven't expected the one. Sign in with Apple, Facebook, Lego account, why not, an Autodesk account. So I would say don't have trouble logging in. Even PlayStation Network and Xbox Network and Nintendo account, Epic Games has a lot of options. What I choose is the Xbox Network. I'm going to log in with my credentials, and then it will pop up on the Epic Games itself. It will give me a code. So let's go to the mailbox. If you can't find it in your inbox just like me, just go to your spam folder, because it might be right there. Don't click on anything else, it can be quite dangerous. Just click on Epic Games and then it says your two-factor sign-in code. Right here you have my one-time code. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it right here with Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Click on continue and remember your device. I don't have a lot of Fortnite outfits, so please gift them to my account, which is your complete lie. Let's click on yes, continue. This is my account. It can even update your two-factor authentication methods, which I completely recommend, especially Authenticator app. We do have a video about Proton Pass to remember your passwords and FCR to save your authenticating codes. But yeah, I'm going to click on confirm right here. I'm done linking. You can even link your Nintendo account if you want that. Right here, I've logged in and it has successfully worked. Right above, if you click on your name, you also have settings right here. And if you click on them, you can actually improve the surface for Epic Games, which you don't really have to do. And if you scroll down, you have offline mode browsing, minimize system tray while clicking on the X. And make sure you turn off run when my system starts. Startup apps will directly slow down your system by taking up more memory. Make sure you turn them off. Turn on cloud saves, of course. Right here, show free game notifications, of course you want that. And disable news and special offer notifications. Depends if you play Fortnite, they have a lot of that. And to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you're actually helping us out and other people too by viewing this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.